So Arush, root 3 by 2 is basically cos of 30 degree plus I into this is 1 by 2, which is sine of 30 degree
Right. Yeah.
raised to 2017. We can write this as e raised to I
E raised to I to
pi by 6.
yeah
ठीक है, and this is raised to
2017.
2017. ठीक है, अब
Yeah.
सेकेंड वाला पार्ट देखते हैं. Now do you realize Arush, in the second part the angle is in fourth quadrant
Mm.
because x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. X positive, y negative
Yeah.
is fourth quadrant.
Fourth order. Yes.
So root 3 by 2 in fourth quadrant will be cos of 2 pi minus 30. Are you following this, Arush? So this will be cos
Yeah.
of 11 pi by 6. So Arush, इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? इसका आंसर आएगा e raised to I 11 pi by 6 raised to 2017.
Yes.
ठीक है, अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. So we have e raised to I pi by 6 raised to 2017 plus e raised to I, इसको थोड़ा मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं e raised to I pi by 6 raised to 2017 and then that is raised to 11 Arush.
Mm.
ठीक है, let us solve this now. E raised to I pi by 6 and that's multiplied with 2017. So that is e raised to I 2017 pi by 6. इसका वैल्यू पहले फाइंड करता है, फिर इजी हो जाएगा. सो e raised to I 2017 pi by 6. 2017 is not divisible by 3,
Mm.
तो इसका कुछ कैंसिलेशन तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. We'll have to convert this, Arush. We'll have to use the allied angle formula and convert this. See, the situation is this is cos of 2017 pi by 6
Mm.
plus I
Yeah.
sine of 2017 pi by 6. इसको हमें सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा LC ये अपना अलाइड एंगल फॉर्मूला यूज करके. सो व्हाट विल डू इज 2017 से नियरेस्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 फाइंड करता है. सो दिस विल बी 6 इंटू 3. 6 इंटू 3 होगा 18, फिर 21 आएगा, 6 3 ज़ार 18, फिर 37 आएगा. दिस इज 336 पाई प्लस पाई बाई 6.
हाँ.
अब 336 pi is even multiple of 90 degree, so that will remain cos pi by 6. And
Mm.
quadrant check करना पड़ेगा आरुष, तो quadrant अब check करते हैं. See, do you realize Arush, this is 1 pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, this
Yeah.
is 4 pi. तो 336 pi भी यहाँ पे आएगा. It's like odd on that side, even on this side.
Yeah.
Plus pi by 6, so this is actually first quadrant. So it's positive. So do you realize, Arush, this now becomes cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6.
Yes.
Okay, so is it safe to say that e raised to I pi by 6 raised to 2017 is as good as e raised to I pi by 6?
Mm. Yeah.
Plus सेकेंड में सेम होगा e raised to I pi by 6, बट फिर 11 मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो ये 11 pi by 6 हो जाएगा आरुष.
Absolutely.
तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? e raised to I 11 pi by 6 का आंसर आएगा cos of 11 pi by 6
Cos of 9.
प्लस I sin of 11 pi by 6. अब ये 11 pi by 6 को सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, तो न्यूमरेटर में 11 है, डिनोमिनेटर में 6 है. यू हैव टू टेल मी व्हिच इज द नियरेस्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 to 11.
12.
So now this is cos pi by 6 I sin pi by 6 copy over, and we can write this as cos of 12 is the nearest multiple as you are telling me. We can write 11 as 12 minus 1 Arush,
Yeah.
and उसको जब split करेंगे upon 6 के साथ 12 pi upon 6 will become 2 pi, so this will be 2 pi
2
minus
pi.
pi by 6. Are you following this?
Yes, sir.
And same I sin of, now 2 pi minus theta is which quadrant, Arush?
So 4
तो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में डू यू रियलाइज साइन थीटा इज गोइंग टू बी नेगेटिव,
sin is negative.
तो
Yes,
ये
sir.
आ जाएगा cos पाई बाई सिक्स, ये नेगेटिव आ रहा है माइनस साइन आई साइन पाई बाई सिक्स, तो हो गया समारुष, ये कट हो रहा है. द आंसर इज 2 इंटू कॉस पाई बाई सिक्स मतलब कॉस 30 विच इज रूट 3 बाई 2, सो इट्स
Yeah.
रूट 3.
Interesting.
क्या बोल रहा है आरुष स्टार्ट में?
8 seconds. Nothing, sir. Nothing.
So this is a purely real number, and real part is greater than 0 and imaginary part is equal to 0. तो A correct है, imaginary part is equal to 0.
Yeah.
Are you done or you are writing this?
No, sir. I have to write this.
Write it.